Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x, where x to the power x is equal to 3 to the power x plus 9, or left side x to the power x is equal to applying formula a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Applying this exponential formula, we can write this 3 to the power x plus 9 as 3 to the power of this x times 3 to the power of 9, 3 to the power 9. Or now divided both side by 3 to the power x, we can write left side x to the power x divided by this 3 to the power x is equal to right side, this is 3 to the power x times this 3 to the power of 9 divided by 3 to the power x. We have divided both sides by this 3 to the power x. Or now applying this exponential formula to left side, a to the power m over b to the power m, this can be written as a over b whole to the power of m. Now applying this formula to left side, we can write this x over this 3 and whole to the power of this common x is equal to this 3 to the power x and 3 to the power x will cancel out from right side and it will remain 3 to the power of 9. Or now raising both sides power by 1 over 3, we'll get left side x over 3 whole to the power of this x times 1 over 3 is equal to right side will be this 3 to the power this 9 times 1 over 3. We have taken this 1 over 3 to both sides. Or this x over 3 and whole to the power of this x times 1 over 3, it will be x times 1 is x over 3. So x over 3 is equal to this right side 3 to the power of 9 divided by 3, this will be 3, and this 3 times 1, it will be 3. Now applying this, when a to the power a is equal to b to the power of b, then we can write a is equal to b. Now this x over 3 as a, so a to the power of a is equal to this 3 as b, so b to the power b. So we can write from here x over 3, this as a is equal to this as b is equal to 3. Or multiplying both sides by 3, we'll get x over 3 times 3 is equal to right side this 3 times 3. We have multiplied both sides by this 3. So this 3 and this 3 will cancel out and it will be x is equal to 3 times 3, this is 9. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.